Stretch marks are one of the skin-related issues that some people find discomforting. Now, stretch marks does not only affect women, but also they affect men. Despite the fact that some people find stretch marks discomforting to them, you should also know that stretch marks are not medical-related issues. Well, if you're one of those who doesn't like the appearance of your stretch mark on your skin, in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you what stretch marks really are. I'm going to be sharing with you some causes of stretch mark, prevention of stretch mark, and also how you can treat stretch marks. So I hope this video gives you some form of clarity and you find it helpful. So without wasting so much of your time, let's dive right into the video. Now, what are stretch marks? Stretch marks, also known as striated dystency, they are scars formed on the middle layer of the skin, that is the dermis. Stretch marks initially develops as wrinkly raised streaks or scars that can be red, pink, reddish brown, dark brown, or purple depending on your skin color before they get to the matured stage, where the appearance of this stretch mark turns into a white or silvery look. Most often, stretch mark appears on the abdomen, the thighs, the buttocks, the stomach, the hips, the breasts, and even the chest. That is to say, like I said in the beginning of this video, this stretch mark affects both the male gender and the female gender. Here are some causes of stretch marks that you may or may not know about. Now, the first cause of stretch mark is rapid weight gain and weight loss. That is, if all of a sudden you just gained weight, or maybe all of a sudden you lose weight, this is a factor that can result into stretch mark. Another cause of stretch mark is puberty, and stretch marks during puberty occurs as a result of growth sprouts. Now, another cause of stretch mark is genetics, and genetics is one of the key causes of stretch mark. That is to say that in your family, if maybe your mom, your dad, your grandparents, or anybody in your family was known to have stretch mark, or maybe the family lineage is known to have stretch mark, that means you are likely to also have stretch mark. So yeah, genetics is another key factor that causes stretch marks. Now, another one that causes stretch marks is pregnancy, which is one of the causes that is popularly known. And then another one that you need to know is bleaching cream. Yes, so if you're the type of person that loves bleaching, or maybe you want to bleach, or just know that stretch marks can also be caused by bleaching cream. And again, another cause of stretch mark is medication. That is, some medications. A very good example of medication that cause stretch mark is birth control pills. Yes, this is the reason why. Birth control pills affect the hormones in the body. Also, birth control pills can cause weight gain, it can cause bloating, or other physical changes that can stretch your skin and lead to stretch marks. And again, another cause of stretch mark is intense exercise or bodybuilding. Intense exercise can cause rapid muscle growth, thereby increasing your chances of stretch marks. So these are some of the causes of stretch marks that you need to take into consideration. Now, how can we prevent stretch marks? Now, you should note that it is not always possible to prevent stretch marks. That is to say that stretch marks cannot be 100% prevented, but there are still some ways you can actually prevent the appearance of stretch marks on your skin. Now, these are some of the ways you can prevent stretch marks. The first one is staying hydrated. That is, making use of hydrating products that will help keep your skin hydrated. The reason why hydrating your skin will help prevent the appearance of stretch marks is because when your skin is dry, inflamed, or cracked, this dryness is not a healthy baseline for your skin, and therefore it can lead to stretch marks. And you can actually keep your skin hydrated either through massage or without massage. So yeah, keeping your skin hydrated is one of the ways you can prevent stretch mark. And then another way you can prevent stretch mark is by learning to control your weight. This has to do with you being mindful of how you consume foods or what you eat. And also, one of the good ways you can prevent stretch mark is by eating or making use of nutrient rich ingredients like vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin D, zinc, and also protein. Now, when it comes to vitamin C is a very important or vital nutrient to include in your diet or skincare routine. This is the reason why, because it is useful for the development of collagen, and collagen plays a vital role in keeping your skin strong and elastic. Collagen also helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and also collagen is important for preventing stretch marks. Edible vitamin C are found in fruits and vegetables, and also one of the very good edible products you can get the recommended daily dose of vitamin C is from this Vika capsule. Yes, this is a herbal supplement. This Vika capsule is a very good supplement that you can make use of daily, that will adequately supply vitamin C to you, that will supply enough vitamin C to you. And we know that vitamin C plays a very vital role in the skin. Not only is vitamin C good for collagen production, vitamin C is also very, very good to brighten the skin, and it also has so many benefits to the skin. So if you really want to prevent stretch marks and you want to go with vitamin C, you can make use of fruits, you can make use of vegetables. But the reason why I will advise that you should also make use of this Vika capsule, this supplement here, is because this Vika capsule is going to give you more quantity of vitamin C that will actually help you to prevent stretch marks. Another way you can prevent stretch mark is by trying to keep the skin on your abdomen, the breast, or the thighs healthy with regular use of hydrating moisturizers. Now, when looking for hydrating moisturizers, you should look out for products that contain high hyaluronic acid and centellar extract. These two ingredients are proven ingredients that helps with stretch marks. Now, for pregnant women, it is advisable that you start application of these moisturizers from the early stage of your pregnancy, or at most from 12 weeks of your pregnancy until delivery. The reason why is because research has shown that some pregnant women who started making use of moisturizers that contains this centellar extract in it has actually been able to prevent stretch marks. Now, let's say you were not able to prevent stretch marks and you are wondering, okay, how can I treat stretch marks? Now, here are the treatments of stretch marks. But before I get right into the treatments of stretch marks, you should take into consideration that when you're trying to treat stretch marks, you should note that the best period or time for treatment of stretch marks is at its early stage. This is because at its mature stage, studies have shown that you cannot completely remove its appearance, but rather you can definitely reduce the appearance of stretch mark on the skin.
Red stretch marks means that they are in the early stages, and as the skin tears, it gets inflamed and red. In the case of red stretch marks, dermatological treatment and skincare products can prevent the progress of stretch marks and treat them to a certain degree. However, if you leave the red stretch marks as they are, they change into white stretch marks over time, which are more difficult to treat through treatments compared to red stretch marks.
Prior to this, there are lots of products or remedies in the market that claims to remove stretch marks, but in reality they actually don't. But the following are some ways you can actually use to reduce the appearance of stretch marks on the skin to the point where it is not very visible. And also, you should note that stretch marks cannot be treated or reduced overnight. That is to say that stretch marks takes a gradual process for you to see the results. Now, here are some ways you can actually use to treat or reduce the appearance of stretch marks on your skin. The first method is through the use of cocoa butter. Now, the reason why cocoa butter would help you to reduce the appearance of stretch mark on your skin is because cocoa butter is an emollient, and as you know that emollients are moisturizing treatment applied directly to the skin to soothe and hydrate the skin. Therefore, cocoa butter helps to form a protective barrier over the skin, and cocoa butter also helps make your skin feel soft and hydrated. So yeah, cocoa butter is a very good example of an emollient that is going to actually help you to moisturize and hydrate your skin. Now here is one of the very good example of products that you can make use of that contains cocoa butter as one of its key ingredients, and also that will help you to reduce the appearance of stretch mark on your skin. And that product is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. Yes, this product over here, it is actually a very good oil that will help you to reduce the appearance of stretch marks on your skin. Now another way you can reduce stretch marks on your skin is by keeping your skin well moisturized and hydrated. Like I said, that cocoa butter is also good to hydrate your skin. Apart from cocoa butter, another key ingredient that you should look for when choosing a moisturizer, like I said before, is the hyaluronic acid and the centilla extract. This centilla extract is actually a medical herb, and this hyaluronic acid and centilla extract are actually proven ingredients that will help you reduce the appearance of stretch marks on your skin. Good example of moisturizers that you can make use of is this moisturizer here, the Isdin Human Anti-Scratch Marks. This product over here contains some key ingredients like this centilla extract I talked about. It also contains vitamin E in it, and also rose hip oil. Now another good example of products that you can make use of that will help moisturize your skin and also help you with your stretch mark is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Massage Lotion for Stretch Marks. Yes, this stretch mark also here, it is also a very good product that you can make use of that will help reduce the appearance of stretch mark on your skin. If you notice, when I talked about the first product, I also mentioned the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, but that one is in form of the skin therapy oil. Now let's say you want to make use of these two products, these two Palmer's products. The way you're going to do it is after you apply this skin therapy oil, that is the Palmer's skin therapy oil, you apply it, you massage it on your skin. Then once you're done, let's say if it's if you're a pregnant woman, and also before I forget, these two products are actually safe for people that are pregnant. That is like I talked about before, that it is good if you start moisturizing your skin, make your skin well moisturized and hydrated at the early stage. So yeah, you can make use of this, any of these Palmer's products, either the skin therapy oil or the massage lotion for stretch marks. Now this is how you make use of it. You first make use of the oil. That is when you apply the oil on the affected area, that is where you're having stretch marks. When you apply the oil finish, then you now go in with the massage cream for stretch mark, and you now also massage this on the affected area of your skin. So these products are good products that will actually help you to reduce the appearance of stretch marks on the skin. Now another way you can reduce the appearance of stretch mark on your skin is through the use of retinoids or vitamin A, and also tropical tretinoin. Tretinoin has been shown to be helpful in collagen production, dermal remodeling, thereby reducing the appearance of stretch marks over time. But you should note that, now this is for pregnant women, you should note that tretinoin is not safe for you to use during pregnancy or even when you are breastfeeding. Studies have shown that using tretinoin during pregnancy is going to affect the baby, and also you should avoid using tretinoin if you are allergic to tretinoin or retinoids. But apart from that, that is if you're allergic to tretinoin or retinoid, or if you're pregnant, tretinoin is one of the proven key ingredients that is going to help you to reduce the appearance of stretch marks on your skin. Now another way you can reduce the appearance of stretch mark on your skin is by resurfacing, laser treatment, and micro needling. Now when you want to carry out any of this process, it is advisable that you talk to a professional or a dermatologist before you carry out any of these process. Now these treatment methods for stretch marks I have mentioned to you are very good ways you can actually use to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Like I said before, that stretch marks in the beginning stage of stretch marks, That is when it is looking red, when it is looking purple, at that beginning stage of stretch marks. That is the stage where you need to tackle your stretch marks. That is the stage where if you apply any of these products, it will help you remove, it will help you to completely remove the stretch marks on your skin. But if maybe your stretch mark is already at the mature stage, that is when it is looking whitish or silvery in color, then this product will only help you to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. That is, it will reduce it to the extent that it will not be too visible in the eyes. So here are just some of the ways you can actually prevent stretch marks on your skin. Now, if you're also someone that is battling with redness, rosacea, anti-inflammation, I have actually filmed a separate video where I talked about how you can actually get rid of facial redness, body redness, rosacea, hyperpigmentation. Yes, so this video over here, you can follow the link here to check out that video. So guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.